Did you know that onion juice for hair growth could be the answer to your hair loss problems? If you're dealing with thinning hair, bald patches, or just want thicker, healthier hair, this simple kitchen ingredient might surprise you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use onion juice to transform your hair, plus a special fermented version that takes results to the next level. Why onion juice works for hair growth. Let's start with the science behind why onions are so powerful for your hair. Onions contain incredibly high levels of sulfur, which is the main building block for keratin. Keratin is the protein that makes up your hair strands. So when you give your scalp more sulfur, you're literally providing the raw materials your hair needs to grow stronger and thicker. But sulfur isn't the only reason onions work so well. Onions have the highest concentration of quercetin of any common food. Quercetin is a powerful plant compound that does three amazing things for your hair. First, it helps calm down autoimmune reactions that can attack your hair follicles. This is especially helpful if you have alopecia or patchy hair loss. Second, quercetin actually increases growth hormones right at the hair follicle level, which means your hair grows faster and stronger from the root. Third, it acts as a natural antimicrobial agent, protecting your scalp from harmful yeast, fungus, and bacteria that can cause dandruff and block healthy hair growth. The basic onion juice hair treatment. Here's how to make and use the basic onion juice treatment. You'll want to use an organic red onion because red onions contain the most quercetin. Take one medium-sized red onion and remove the outer skin. Chop it into small pieces and put them in your blender. Blend until you have a smooth, liquid consistency. Next, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer to separate the liquid from the pulp. Pour this liquid into a clean container. A squeeze bottle works great, but a mason jar is perfectly fine too. When you're ready to use it, get your hair completely wet in the shower. Take the onion juice and massage it thoroughly into your scalp and hair roots for about 2 minutes. Make sure you cover all areas where you want to see hair growth. After massaging, step out of the shower and let the treatment sit on your hair for at least 30 minutes. I personally recommend leaving it on for a full hour if you can. You can wear a shower cap to keep it from dripping. After the treatment time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly and shampoo twice to remove any onion smell. Don't worry about the odor. It will completely disappear after washing. Use this treatment twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks, and you should start seeing new hair growth by week 3 or 4. If you're finding value in this natural approach to hair health, please hit that subscribe button to join our VIGORPHIL community for more plant-based wellness tips. Scientific evidence behind onion juice. The results from research studies are truly impressive. In one study published in the Journal of Dermatology, researchers split participants into 2 groups. One group applied onion juice to their scalp, while the other group used just water. After only 6 weeks, the onion juice group showed an amazing 86.9% success rate for significant hair regrowth. The water group only had a 13% success rate. Another study focused specifically on quercetin from onions. When researchers tested quercetin on hair follicles, they found that it promoted hair regeneration in all treated subjects, while untreated subjects showed no hair regrowth at all. Supercharging your results with rosemary oil. Now let's take your results to the next level by adding rosemary essential oil to your onion juice. Add exactly 5 drops of pure rosemary oil to your onion juice before applying it to your hair. Rosemary oil is incredibly powerful for hair growth. In a major study from 2015, researchers compared rosemary oil directly to one of the most popular prescription medications for hair loss. The results showed that rosemary oil was just as effective as the medication for promoting hair regrowth. Rosemary oil contains special plant compounds that reduce inflammation, provide antioxidant protection, and increase blood flow to your scalp. Better blood flow means more nutrients reach your hair follicles, which helps them produce stronger, thicker hair. Rosemary oil is also excellent for addressing autoimmune-related hair loss. The advanced fermented onion juice recipe. Here's where we really amplify the power of onion juice. By fermenting your onion juice, you enhance all the beneficial compounds and create additional nutrients that your scalp can absorb. Start with 1 organic red onion. Remove the skin and chop it up, then blend it just like before. Strain out the liquid and pour it into a clean mason jar. Add 8 ounces of filtered water to the jar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and half a teaspoon of raw honey. Mix everything together thoroughly. Cover the jar with a cheesecloth or coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. Place the jar on your kitchen counter at room temperature and let it ferment for exactly 72 hours. You'll know the fermentation is working when you see tiny carbon dioxide bubbles forming, usually by the second day. This fermentation process does something amazing. It increases the concentration of quercetin and other beneficial compounds. The beneficial bacteria also create additional vitamins and nutrients that weren't there before. Plus, fermentation makes the mixture more acidic, with a pH around 5, which is the perfect acidity level for a healthy scalp. After 72 hours, strain the liquid through cheesecloth again to remove any particles. Use this fermented onion juice exactly the same way as the basic version. Massage it into your scalp for 2 minutes, leave it on for 1 hour, then rinse and shampoo twice. Which approach sounds more appealing to you? The basic onion juice or the fermented version? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to VIGORPHIL for more natural health solutions. Additional tips for maximum hair growth. While onion juice is incredibly effective on its own, there are 2 other important factors that can dramatically improve your results. First, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in hair follicle health and the hair growth cycle. Most people don't get nearly enough. I recommend taking 10,000 to 20,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily, or spending time in direct sunlight when possible. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common underlying causes of hair loss that people completely overlook. Second, focus on eating foods that support hair health from the inside out. Your hair needs specific nutrients to grow strong and thick. Foods rich in biotin, like sunflower seeds and almonds, support keratin production. Leafy green vegetables provide iron and folate, which help carry oxygen to your hair follicles. Pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds contain zinc, which is essential for hair protein synthesis. What to expect and when? Let's talk about realistic expectations. Hair growth is a gradual process, so don't expect overnight miracles. Most people start noticing small changes around week 3 to 4. You might see fine, new hair starting to grow, or existing hair becoming thicker and stronger. Continue the treatment for at least 6 weeks, but many people benefit from using it longer, depending on the severity of their hair loss. The great thing about this natural approach is that it's completely safe to use long-term. Remember to be consistent. Skipping treatments will slow down your progress. Mark your treatment days on a calendar if that helps you stay on track. Hair loss can feel overwhelming, but nature provides us with powerful solutions. Onion juice addresses multiple causes of hair loss at once, from nutrient deficiencies to inflammation to microbial imbalances on the scalp. Whether you choose the basic recipe or the advanced fermented version, you're giving your hair follicles exactly what they need to produce healthy, thick hair again. The combination of sulfur for keratin production, quercetin for follicle stimulation, and the antimicrobial properties creates a complete hair recovery system. Add rosemary oil for even better circulation and anti-inflammatory benefits. If this natural approach to hair health resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to VIGORPHIL for more evidence-based natural health wisdom. Your journey to healthier, thicker hair starts with simple, natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Start your onion juice treatment this week. Stay consistent and watch your hair transform naturally.